What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode. Here we are out in the frickin' blizzard. We're in the thick of it, as Trippy would say.
In the thick of it? Now I got fucking stop putting a new goddamn motherfucking battery in the fucking GoPro because it's bullshit.
He is slick for sure.
Yeah.
There we go. Well,
I got leg power.
Leg power. I can't see shit.
Yeah, I know. You're telling me.
Woo.
Yeah, I hate when you go, whoa. Oh God, well, like that. Whoa. I think I might have hit the same.
Woo.
Ah, son of a bitch.
The rocks, the grooves, man.
Yeah.
Woo.
Whoa. Whoa.
Should have hit the bike path?
Oh, good luck.
It looks like it's plowed.
Oh, is it? Oh, fuck yeah.
Maybe not.
Hopefully there's no one behind me.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, the bike path is plowed, and hell yeah. Once we get on, I want to put a new battery in.
I don't know if it is, but we might as well go check. It doesn't look like it, actually.
Oh, the sidewalk's plowed down here, so it might be plowed.
Yeah, it looks like it's been pushed around over there.
There are half the places I'm trying to ride with my helmet up, but you have to have it down, and the roads seem okay, and then someone drives out of their driveway and pushes a bunch of snow.
Reverse. Give her, bud, give her!
We're gonna push someone out on Tipsy's channel. No, he's like...
He's got her.
Oh, so you go through the deeper part.
Let's give him a push.
Tipsy got her. Okay. Gotta get to the other side. I could have put a camera battery in here.
Okay. Oh, God. Oh.
In the thick of things. Whoa, it's not plowed. What the hell?
It's not plowed.
Shit.
Bearing.
Okay, I gotta put a camera battery in, so since we stopped.
Okay.
Just so I can finish off the stupid video I was kind of doing.
Okay.
It's in this one.
I'm gonna cross. Back over here. Come on, bitch. Oh, God. I made it to the sidewalk. Oh, guys. What a snowy adventure. I can tell you, I'm already breathing hard.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that car, I felt...
Yeah, I felt like everyone was going to slide into me over there.
Yeah, I know. Okay, guys, if my battery or my phone or my video camera just shuts off out of the blue, it's because my batteries keep dying. Then to go check out Tipsy's channel.
Yeah, I charged mine like for half an hour this morning.
Yeah, all my batteries, it's just a quarter, fucking killing it, so... Tipsy's, bike path scenario was not plowed.
Yeah, not good. Oh, buddy.
Oh, buddy.
Don't get hit. That guy's letting me go.
No, it's red light.
Oh. This guy's drift. Hey, already down the road.
Okay.
Oh, God, this is a bad idea.
Yeah, back in the thick of things.
Right on the road I go.
Yeah,
I didn't even feel the curb there.
Okay, now I can kind of see with my helmet down.
Yeah. Cruising. Cruising. Oh.
Today's just going to be a nice, easy... Oh, God! I left my helmet.
Look at that fucking side road, holy shit.
Fuck, yeah, I know, that's what... Oh, I'm getting surrounded with people here. Transport truck driving on totally wrong side of the road. Oh, I got a phone call coming.
Where are we going? Straight? Turning?
Just stop here. Turn. I got a phone call coming in.
Okay, I gotta turn up here.
Okay.
Woo!
I'm trying to get the phone.
Go over by the air pump or something?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Yeah. Fuck, this is brutal.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, now I gotta see who the fuck tried to call me.
I haven't made it very far, guys.
Yeah.
Bike is covered. Front tire's almost all snow. Some deep snow, guys.
That's the way. Let's see what you want. Fuck me.
By the time we got some deepens. Trippy's making a phone call, guys.
Intercom failed. Try again later. Intercom failed.
Right
Try
through the
again
snow,
later.
guys. Stupid intercom thing. Thinks I'm talking to my helmet.
Intercom failed. Try again later. Intercom failed. Try again later.
Oh, deep. They spray Trippy, guys, ready? Yeah.
Try again later. Intercom failed. Try again later.
Okay, intercom, shut up. Yeah. Hello? Oh, beep, 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 beep.
Intercom failed. Try again later.
Should I turn mine off, back off?
Intercom failed. Goodbye. Hello.
Connected. There we go. We got it!
Yeah. Everyone's probably bitching at me because I've been praying for this shit, and now it's like, oh, this is too much.
Yeah.
Why couldn't it just be fluffy and powder, not sticky and yucky?
It's hard to ride in, yeah.
Yeah, like I was telling people, the trail riding will be till people start packing. Oh my God, start packing shit down.
Yeah. We can't even get up that way. And once we get up there, no paths are plowed.
We got it! In the thick of things.
See where that car is? Get out of here!
Oh wait, I don't want. Yeah, I don't know why we came up this way.
No, we're going this way now, bud. This road's actually not too bad.
Hey, exactly, yeah. Wherever we go, we just have to take Highway 2 back. At least I do, anyways.
Holy fuck, man, look at that snowplow.
Yeah. He's having this. Like, yeah. What do I do now?
There's no, oh, buddy, she gets slippery there.
I'm going to message head office and be like, yeah, there's snowplow in front of me. What should I do? I just look like the young guy that left his plow at the sidewalk downtown, so anyone in a wheelchair or anything like that would be completely screwed. Old people, they got like 10 feet of snow to go through.
Yeah.
Whoa! What was that? I just heard like some kind of whoa! I almost lost it.
Oh my God, there's nowhere to pull in.
Yeah, it's main roads only.
Guys, this is the only road we can ride on.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get up Sydney.
All the other roads are off. Why can I hear us? Can you hear that?
The car?
No, us.
Us.
It sounds like...
I don't know.
I hear something about a coffee place. How is my video playing?
That's weird. Let's try this.
I can't see nothing.
Yeah. Or we can go down that way, try and play Switch.
Okay, I gotta stop this video. Shit.
Oh my god, I can't see.
Sorry guys about, we're in the coffee vlog right now. I don't know how it's playing because...
Oh fuck. You're watching my video.
No, it's me talking.
Well, yeah, you're in my video.
No, it was my video about the Ebikes shop that we haven't even... That doesn't post for another couple days.
That's weird.
Oh, you're getting really far ahead.
I'm gonna turn right here. Get off this main shit. Watch the turn!
Yeah, you gotta stop.
Oh yeah, this road fucking sucks.
Is that road plowed?
No.
No, then I'm gonna... I know I won't go down it because, trust me, I walked to Frank Street.
I just wanted to get off the main shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna... Oh! God. Yeah, video, I forgot. Okay. I'm like...
Yeah, we could probably sit here without getting hit by a car.
Jesus!
Look at that wind, guys. Deadly.
Fuck off!
Oh, that's windy. As you can see, Tippy's having so much fun on his fat tire bike.
No, I gotta pee so fucking bad. Fuck off, Bone!
Oh god, it is so snowy. I can't even put the visor up. It's like getting worse out.
Yeah.
It's almost a whiteout blizzard.
That's what it is, whiteout blizzard conditions on the Emo Rocks.
Yeah. Driving in a whiteout. Oh, I got a fucking little snow twister behind me.
Yeah!
So, you wanna go back out that way now?
Yeah, might as well. Actually...
I ain't getting anywhere going this way. They gotta have Moira plowed. Or whatever it is.
That means when we go back down, I gotta go all the way down Coleman Street.
Oh yeah, we can go back this way if you want.
Yeah, let's take to Highway 2 for today, for me. Because I know that side street to get to work and...
I know, I've seen it. It's like 2 feet of snow.
And so I turned at...
Almost took it down, guys.
I turned at Tina's Pizza today. Jumped a huge snowbank, and I pretty much walked from Tina's Pizza to Station Street.
Oh god.
That's how bad it was. Anytime I would get in a rut, I could go maybe 5 feet before the side of the tires would hit the rut.
Yeah. I'm in ruts right now.
Yeah, me too. I got 1 foot down first ski. Well, that didn't really work too well. I got too fucking cocky and confident.
Woo! Woo!
It's hard when you can't reach the ground.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, the ruts turning, so am I. That
was some sketchy shit right there.
This is insane.
Oh yeah.
It wouldn't be too bad if all the clumpy fucking shitty ass snow wasn't here.
Yeah, I'm making it. Holy shit.
Should we hit Switch Park? There's probably no oh god, you're gonna get hit now.
I don't give a shit. Just get me out of this stick of it to somewhere where I can pedal and put down my hood. That sounds like...
Whoa, buddy.
Oh god. Whoa.
Oh, there's something.
God.
Oh, get out of there.
Fuck, this side's not as good as the other side.
This is a little sloppy, eh?
Yeah.
I can't see shit. Let's have a party.
Yeah, she's definitely a throttle day.
A throttle day?
Yeah.
I thought that thing didn't work the greatest.
It works okay, just you go a lot faster.
Hey, buddy.
Like I'm already, right now the throttle works great because, yeah, it seems like I'm going fast. This was, need a good day of cleanup.
Oh God, oh God! That is deadly! Oh, this is the worst part. Oh no! It's so deep!
Where the fuck were you going?
That fucking snow made me go that way. From all the lines going across. Oh,
holy crap! Well, lucky there's no car coming. I would have died, for sure.
I'm getting over here. Yeah. How you guys like the snow bomb?
Oh, God, yeah. Okay.
Not bad when you stay in the groove.
Probably a long time, my
This guy's doing a donut in the middle of the road.
Yeah, that would be me.
Cars behind us? No.
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Okay, I need to start moving over here. Somehow. Every time you hit a fucking rut, man.
Yeah.
Oh, we got someone stuck in the TV drive-thru.
Oh, yay. Time to push someone else out.
Oh, where'd you go?
I like.
Hit a push. Backwards. You going backwards? See if he gets it.
He's coming back.
He's trying to.
These people don't know how to drive in the winter.
Yeah, he ain't gonna rock that.
Yeah, he's not going forward. There's no way unless we...
Let's push it backwards.
Okay, let him come forward a bit. Okay, come forward. Now back. Hammer, hit her. Don't be afraid to use the gas. Just hammer on it. Hammer, hit. Jesus.
A little bit more.
Like how?
We gotta push it again.
They look like summer tires. They gotta be summer tires if you're stuck in this stuff.
Yeah.
Definitely summer tires.
Yeah, this is a bad spot, guys.
Summer tires, and does not know where the goddamn gas pedal is.
Yeah, call right there.
He busted I'm guessing there's a bunch of coolant on the ground. Not a bunch, but there's enough. So I pushed out 3 people today. You've got 2.
Come on, Pity.
You want to see those titties, you got to show the titties.
Okay. Any more, you're going to blow a holly.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It's too rough. We got some snowbanks now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, guys, that's going to be the end of that
And this
adventure.
has already been plowed once.
Yeah. Sorry for the heavy breathing. We did a little bit of work today. And it's almost impossible to ride right now, guys. It's just too much.
Yeah, and if it was fluffy.
Fluffy, yeah, but it's warming up a bit and it's all getting real packy. So, yeah, that's going to be the end of that one, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe as always. And we'll see you next time, y'all. Peace!
Yeah, what tips you said?